Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well. So today I thought I would do a Te Fiti inspired makeup look. So first off, I'm just priming with the Rimmel London Insta CC primer. I did consider painting my whole face green, like this shade, but I'm not going to because it's just an inspired look. So I'm just putting on my foundation, which is the Collection Illuminating Touch foundation. And then I'm just filling in my brows with the Lord & Berry Magic Brow Pencil in brunette. I'm doing it quite roughly, and then just making it a little tiny bit more arched. Now onto the eyes. So taking the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette and this beautiful colour called Neon. Oh, hey there. I'm just placing that all over the lid. It is so beautiful. I cannot recommend this palette enough. I'm seriously going to be using it all the time. It is just stunning. And is this or is this not the most perfect Te Fiti colour? And then I'm taking Ultimate, which is this gorgeous blue colour, and I'm just running that over my lower lash line. It kind of took over my lashes too, which was kind of cute. And then I decided that I wanted to be a bit more oceanic, if that's even a word. So I placed that same Ultimate colour all over the top of the neon colour to just bring it back a little bit more to the running theme of the ocean in Moana. Again, this is such a stunning colour. Their shimmers are just incredible. And then I'm just very carefully putting my mascara on. This is the NYX XXL mascara. Then I'm taking this colour called Electric because I just wanted to add a pop of colour on the inner corners. So I'm just placing that there because she's got some very pink flowers in her headband. So I thought that I would reflect that there. So that's the eyes. And then I'm taking California by Benefit on my brush and just placing it everywhere. I have literally got so obsessed with blush recently. I don't know if it's my hair or what, but this is a very colourful look, so go to town. Put it on your nose too because that makes you look super cute. Yes. And then taking Spirit, which is this gorgeous iridescent white. I'm using that as a highlight. Damn! Yeah, I agree, past me. It is a stunning colour and I'm going to be using it as my highlight all the time. Gives you that real sort of wet, glowy look. And then I'm taking the NYX Lingerie Shimmer in Honeymoon and I'm just placing that all over the lips. Not the lid, the lips. You could do this with a hot pink, but I decided not to because I felt like it would be a bit overpowering. And then of course you gotta add the fake freckles, my friends. I'm just obsessed. That's what I'm saying. I'm obsessed. What can I say? I can't help it. I absolutely love them. I've been wearing them at work and everything. This technique with this little... If you haven't seen my Snow White video, then this is literally just a beard stubble sponge and it makes the most perfect fake freckles. I mean, look at them. They are just so cute. So there's the finished look. It's very glowy, very colourful. It's actually pretty wearable, to be fair. I mean, I did wear it tonight after filming and I really liked it. It's just a bit different, you know? And I feel like it does channel Te Fiti without painting yourself entirely green, which is so good because I do not suit green. I'm not Shrek and I'm not Te Fiti, and I'm basically just talking to get through all the posing because I'm waiting for the posing to stop. Oh, are you done yet, girl? No, you're still posing. Okie dokie. We done yet? Ah, good, well done. Okay, please subscribe, that would be great if you could, and please leave a comment below and a like, and I'll love you forever. And I hope to see you in my next video. Well, not in my next video, that'd be a bit weird, wouldn't it? Oh no, I ran out of time again. I just talk too much, guys. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye!